Welcome everyone. Today we have something powerful for you because this video is not just about learning faster, it is about transforming how you grow for the rest of your life. Think about it. Everything you want is on the other side of learning. Better income, better communication, better health, better confidence, a better future. If you can learn faster, you can change faster. If you learn slowly, you stay in the same place while others move ahead. And here's the truth most people never accept. Most people are not slow because they are not intelligent. Most people are slow because they are using the wrong system. So today, I will give you phase 2 of real mastery, how to build momentum fast. Phase 2 is where you stop preparing and start moving. Step 1. Get early wins. Early wins are not small. Early wins are everything. Your brain is wired for reward. When you feel progress, your brain releases dopamine. Dopamine is not just pleasure, it is motivation. It tells your brain, this matters, do it again. If you start learning something and feel confused for 2 weeks, your brain says, this is painful, stop. But if you feel progress in the first few days, your brain says, I like this, continue. That is why the first week is critical. If you are learning English, your first win is not perfect grammar. Your first win is speaking 10 simple sentences confidently. If you are learning coding, your first win is building one small working project. If you are learning fitness, your first win is completing 7 workouts in a row. Small wins build identity, and identity builds consistency. When you win early, you stop saying, I am trying. You start saying, I am becoming. Step 2. Practice actively, not passively. Most people confuse consumption with learning. They watch videos, they read books, they take notes, and they feel productive. But watching is not mastering. Real learning is active. It forces your brain to struggle. Instead of rereading, test yourself. Instead of watching another tutorial, try doing it without help. Instead of highlighting pages, close the book and explain it out loud. When you struggle to recall information, your brain strengthens neural connections. This is how memory becomes permanent. Champions train this way. They don't just watch, they perform. Your brain grows through effort, not comfort. Step 3. Use feedback loops. If you practice in isolation without feedback, you can repeat mistakes for years. Feedback is a mirror. It shows you what you cannot see. If you are learning English, record yourself speaking and listen. If you are learning business, track your numbers. If you are learning design, compare your work to professionals. Fast learners close the gap quickly because they adjust quickly. Slow learners repeat errors because they avoid feedback. Feedback is not criticism. Feedback is acceleration. Step 4. Short, intense sessions. Most people think long hours equal fast results. That is wrong. Your brain has limits. Deep focus for 60 to 90 minutes is powerful. After that, quality drops. It is better to practice 1 hour with full concentration than 4 hours distracted. Think of it like going to the gym. Intensity builds muscle, not just being inside the gym for 5 hours. Learning works the same way. Remove your phone, close extra tabs, focus on one task, finish strong. Momentum builds when sessions are consistent and focused. Now imagine combining everything. You choose one skill, you focus on the 20%, you design early wins, you practice actively, you use feedback, you train in short, intense sessions. What happens? You start seeing progress every single week, and progress changes how you see yourself. Confidence rises, fear drops, clarity increases. You stop feeling behind, you start feeling powerful. Remember this, speed does not come from talent, speed comes from structure. Most people drift, you will move with direction. Most people consume, you will create. Most people quit when it feels hard, You will expect difficulty and use it as fuel. That is how you learn anything fast. If this message helped you, subscribe now. I upload powerful videos every single day to help you grow, improve your English, and build real skills step by step. Your future is not decided by your intelligence. It is decided by your learning system. Build the right system, and everything changes.